Assalamu alaikum. We are presenting DeepFake Guard, an AI-powered platform that detects whether an image or video is real or fake. In today's world, fake images and videos made using AI are being used to spread false information, harass people, and run scams. Most victims do not find out until real harm has already happened. For ordinary people, there are very few tools available to verify what they are seeing. That is the gap we are filling. DeepFake Guard works in 4 steps. The user uploads a photo or video, our system detects the faces, calculates a score, and returns a clear result, either real, fake, or uncertain. It supports images, videos, and live camera capture from the browser. Key features include face detection, AI-based analysis with a detailed breakdown, a cyberlaws page covering 5 countries with complaint links, and a help and support section for people who have already been affected. The system has 3 layers: a React front-end hosted on Vercel, a Python back-end hosted on Railway, and AI model weights stored on Hugging Face that are downloaded automatically at startup. The front-end has purpose-built components and 6 major pages. The backend is organized into clean modules, where one file handles routing, one runs the detection pipeline, and one ensures the model is ready before any request is processed. When a file comes in, we extract frames, detect faces, and pass each face through our AI model. The model scores how likely each face is to be fake. We then analyze 5 aspects of the face and combine them into a final result. Our default model is a ready-made vision transformer from Hugging Face, trained on 190,000 images. It works immediately with no training required. We also support custom training on datasets like face forensics and DF40 for more specialized use. Deployment is fully automated. A GitHub push rebuilds both the front end and back end, the model loads itself, and the application is live within minutes. For custom training, we use datasets with over 32,000 images. Accuracy can also be improved by adjusting the detection threshold directly in settings. Our cyberlaws section covers legislation from Pakistan, the United States, the United Kingdom, India, and the European Union with direct reporting links. The help page provides step-by-step guidance for reporting an incident. Our stack covers React, FastAPI, PyTorch, and OpenCV deployed on Railway and Vercel. We are transparent that this tool is meant to assist human judgment, not replace it. Our future plan is to include a database for user login, a personal history dashboard, GPU-based processing, a mobile app, and visual heat maps showing exactly where manipulation was detected. Now we would like to show a short demo of the platform in action. DeepFake Guard is a complete, working, and deployed product. We have built something that gives people a reliable way to verify what they see. Thank you.